National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Salt Lake County in northern Utah, Davis County in northern Utah, northeastern Tuella County in northern Utah, until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 miles northwest of Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway to 15 miles west of Skull Valley, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Layton, Bountiful, Tuella, Farmington, Grantsville, West Jordan, South Jordan, Kaysville, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Wheats Cross, Stansbury Park, West Bountiful, Ophir, Kearns, Dell, Salt Lake City International Airport, and Tuella Army Depot. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 314 and 315, in between mile markers 317 and 330. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 66 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis, Salt Lake, and Tuella.